Hello everyone, welcome to the Introduction to Web Development course conducted by BrainyHub. I am Madiha Massoudi and I'll be your instructor throughout this whole session. In this introduction video, we'll be discussing about what is web development, the key components of web development and web development technologies. So without further ado, let's jump right in. First, let's look at what web development is. Web development is the process of constructing or creating websites and web applications that are accessible through the internet. For instance, educational platforms like BrainyHub, online shopping websites like Myntra, Amazon, and more. Now, web development is about a mix of coding, design, and technical abilities to build websites that not only function properly but to also look attractive. For example, let's say that you want to buy clothes online from Zara. When you open the Zara app or the website, at first you might get a little bit confused because the UI is not very user-friendly. You may face problems in finding the women's section, the men's section, or the child section. We don't want that in our website. We want our websites to be user-friendly and to be more straightforward so that our user can navigate through our websites easily. Note that all of these websites have their own needs and purposes. For example, educational platform BrainyHub, we try to provide education for everyone around the globe. Shopping websites like Amazon or Myntra, where they try to sell products to their customers. Now that we know a concise definition about what web development is, let's move on to the next topic of this video, which is key components of web development. There are some key components and technologies involved in web development. First, we will look at some of the key components of web development, which are front-end development, back-end development, database management, responsive design, and so on. I'll be exploring each of these topics in details in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. Let's move on to the last topic of this session, which is web technologies. There are some web technologies that helps us to make websites and web applications. Some of them are HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, and JavaScript. Additionally, there are some other backend languages like Python, PHP, Ruby, and Java. To summarize, we've learned what web development is, the key components of web development, and finally, web technologies. In the next video, we'll be further exploring the key components of web development. So for all of that and more, I'll see you there.